Okay, sorry for the cell phone quality here, but I get asked this a lot, and that is how to make fixed rolls with Arcadia, because it's a little different than FreeSpeak. When you click on the roll, there's not, like an assigned roll button over here, or usually it'd be like right over here. What you have to do is go into hardware. Your endpoints have endpoints loaded. For example, this Beltpack is an endpoint and is used by me currently. And if I click on it, I can go over here and you see where it says fixed roll, currently non-fixed. Now I'm gonna go in here and select my name, and now it is a fixed roll to me. The Beltpack ID is fixed to the role of myself, which is Jay. And it's also important to know when dealing with fixed roles the importance of the Beltpack ID. So if you've already selected a role on a Beltpack, in your hardware menu it'll show you the Beltpack ID, but if you have to look it up and find it to verify something or make sure that you're fixing the right role to the right Beltpack, let me show you how to do that. Here's our Beltpack. We're gonna hold down menu. Information. Beltpack ID, it's right there. And you can make sure that this Beltpack ID is the same as this ID right here. So 45536, 45536. So hope that was helpful. I still get called for this one. Just the differences between Arcadia and FreeSpeak creating a fixed role. So it's still pretty easy, it's just in a different place.
Remember to like and subscribe.